Hello friends, welcome to my channel Backend Bytes by Pratik. So in this video we will discuss more about Oracle SQL. So first of all we will discuss about what do we mean by relational operators or comparison operators. So relational operator or comparison operator is nothing but the operator which is used to compare column with single value. Then it is called relational operator or comparison operator. So the syntax for relational operator or comparison operator is first of all we can write column name, then relational operator, then we can take the value. So let us take an example. By using this example, we can easily understand what do we mean by relational operator and how relational operator works. So let us take an example. Display all manager records. So first of all, we can write select command, then column name. Here I want all column that are present in employee table. So for that we can use star, then where clause, where job equal to manager. So this is the required query to get the required result. So here someone asked me why you can take manager in capital letter. So here we take job, data type of job is string value. We all are know SQL is not case sensitive, but string comparison is case sensitive. For that reason, we can take manager with capital letter. So this is an important concept. Student, don't forget this concept. Most have remember this concept. That is SQL is not case sensitive language, but string comparison is case sensitive language. So in case of var character 2, so var char 2 is used for the string data type and number data type. So in this case, we always prefer and don't forget to write the case sensitive case like camel case, Pascal case, all should be allowed in case of string comparison in SQL. Let us take another example to easily understand how comparison operator or relation operator performs. So the query question is display the employee records who are working in department number 20. So the answer is select like name, comma salary, comma job, comma department number from EMP table where department number equal to 20. So this is the required query to get the required result. Then we can take another example, that is display the employee record whose salary is more than 2500. So how we write the query for this question, that is select, we want to see all the column. For that we can use star column, star, select star from employee table EMP, where clause, then condition, salary more than 2500. So this is the required query to get the required result. Then we can take another example, that is display the employee record whose salary is more than or is 3000 or more, means equal to 3000 or more. Here we can take greater than equal to. This is greater than, here we can take greater than equal to concept. So select star from EMP where then condition, salary is greater than equal to 3000. So here this is the greater than equal to symbol to use to get the required result or more. So here we want to salary 3000 or more. Here the output result is the employee which can take salary 3000 also given, and more than 3000 salary to be taken by employee, that also given. Then another question, that is display the employee record was salary is 1200 or less. So here in the previous example we can take greater than equal to. So in this question we can take less than equal to, because our required salary is 1200 or less. So 1200 is also needed and less than 1200 is also needed to showing the data in the display. So we can write like this, like select ename comma salary comma job comma department number from table name emp where clause condition salary less than equal to 1200. So this is the required query to get the required result. So now practically showing this 5 questions, that is showing the exact result or not. To showing this we want to open SQL plus. Let's open SQL plus to practically showing this concept. Connect it, enter, then enter your username. In my device my username is system. In my device my password is 1234. After that set pages. After that set lines. Then check the employee table is available or not in my database. To check the employee table in my database is showing or not, is available or not, then write select start from emp. So successfully data showing and also data is stored in my database, also available in my database. Now we execute the required query to get the required result. So display all manager records. So select star from table name employee where job is equal to manager. Here we can get the required result, that is 3 employee and their job position is manager. John, Black, Clark, 3 are the employee name and their job position is manager. So here a concept I want to explain, that is I mentioned that string comparison is case sensitive. So if I write like this, like manager, so it's showing error or not to check. No row selected, because in small letter manager there is no data is available, so this is not case sensitive. So in the string comparison is case sensitive, to always write in the case sensitive order in comparison of a string comparison, in case of string comparison. Then we can execute this another query, that is display all employee record working in department number 20. So select start from emp where department number equal to 20. So 5 employees are worked with department number 20. Then we can execute the another query, that is display all employee record whose salary is more than 2500. So select start from emp where salary greater than equal to 2500. So 12 employee can take more than 2500 salary. So here also we can write like this, like select. If we does not want all the column, we want only name, then job, then salary, then department number and employee number. So this is also showing, that is name, job, salary, department number, EMP number. Now we can execute the another query, that is display all employee record whose salary is 3000 or more. So select star from EMP where salary is 3000 or more. For that we can use greater than equal to. So 10 employee in employee table worked as a taken as a salary 3000 or more. Then we can take next query, that is display the employee record whose salary is 1200 or less. So select star from EMP where salary is less than or equal to 1200. So 3 employees from employee table taken as a salary is 1200 or less than 1200. Now execute the next query. So now an important concept, that is calendar order in SQL. So in calendar order in SQL, that is ascending order. Always data stored in the ascending order. So if someone wants to data after 2023, then we can take an age like if someone wants after 2024, after 2000, after 2024 means after 31st December 2024. If someone wants to data after 24, after 24 means after 2024 31st December. If someone wants data before 2024, before 2024 means here after means after 2024. Before 2024 means before 2024 means like before 2024, like before 1st January 2024. So now we execute these three query, how calendar performs in database in SQL. Display the employee record who joined after 1981. So how to recognize a employee joining by using the hire date. So here the required query, that is select star for all column data from table name, that is EMP, then where clause, then condition hire date. Hire date after 1981. After 1981 means more than 31st December, more than 31st December 1951. Here someone asked me why you write this hire date in single quoted, because in employee table we can take hire date. The data type of hire date is string value. So for the string value we use single quoted in SQL. So next, display the employee record who joined before 1981, means the employee whose hire date is before 1st December, sorry, 1st January 1981. So select star from EMP hire hire date is less than 1st January 1981. So this is the required result to get the record output. Now another query to execute, that is display all employee record except department number 30. So write like this, select star from EMP where department number not equal to, except means not equal to 30. So here we can take not equal to, means taken all department except number of department that taken is 30 number of department. Now we can practically execute this query in SQL Plus. Let's go to SQL Plus. Open SQL Plus. Then we can write like this, like select. We can execute the query, that is display the employee record who joined after 1981. So write like this, select star from EMP where hire date more than 31st December 1981. So 7 rows selected, means 7 employees joined before, sorry, after 1981. So that 1982, 9 December 1982, 12 January 1984, that 23 January 1982, all that are showing. Then now we can execute the another query, that is display the employee records who joined before 1981. So before 1981 means before 1st January. So write like this, select star from EMP where hire date less than 1st January 2000, sorry, 1981. So only one employee is joined in company before 1981. He joined in 17th December 1980. So now execute the another query, that is display all employee record except except department number 30. So write like this, select star from EMP where department number not equal to 30. So 14 rows selected, means 14 employee whose department number not equal to 30. So like this we execute all the query and successfully completed the comparison operator or relational operator. How performs, how operation, how it practically performs, that can be easily explained. So in the Next session, we will discuss about what do we mean by logical operator and how logical operator practically works. So please watch this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.